Hey guys, before we start, I'd like to say that the Cydia video I made a mistake in. It's actually not 100% free. I only figured out a couple of days ago that there's a $9 fee to jailbreak. Sorry if I wasted anyone's time on that video. My bad. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be telling you 5 things you didn't know about your iPad. This includes screen recording, a couple of tips and tricks on settings, and how to customize your iPad. So the tips I'm showing you only work with iOS 11. Alright, let's get on with the video. Number 1. What I'm about to show you is a screen recorder. The definite must for YouTubers that do gaming videos. For some reason, Apple has made screen recorders illegal. In the new update iOS 11, Apple made one screen recorder legal, and this is how you get it. Go to Settings, then click on Control Center. Then Customize Controls will pop up. Click it. These are all the controls you can add. Now just click the plus on all the ones you want. You can drag what you clicked in what order you want it to be on your control center. Feel free to click on any ones you want. Now if you go to the control center, you can see everything you clicked on. Number 2. If you don't know already, you can get Siri to call you your name. If you say yes, Siri will call you your name from now on. Number 3. If you're sick and tired of default looking apps, this is the best website for you. Open up on Safari. You must use Safari or it will not download properly. Now write in iSkin. Once you're done writing it, search it. iSkin allows you to create or use other people's themes that will change the look of your favorite apps. Click Browse All Themes, then find a theme that you like. Once you find your theme, it should bring you to something that looks like this. Just click Application Icons. Here is where you select all the icons you want to download. Once you're done, click the button at the top that looks like this. Now just wait for it to load. Once it's done, it should pop up something like this. Just click Allow. Now it should bring you to Settings. Just click Install. Then it will ask you to put in your password. Once you're done, just click Install again. Then click Install one last time. Once you're done, go to your home screen. The good thing about this is if you click on the app you downloaded, it will bring you to the actual app. Number 4. If you didn't know already, the newer models of Apple devices allow you to have Touch ID. This means that your fingerprint can be a password. If you click Add Fingerprint, you can place your fingerprint on the home button. Then it will scan it. You can add multiple fingerprints. Once you're done, you can unlock your iPad without even putting in a password. The way you unlock your iPad without a password is you put your finger on the home button and it will scan your finger. Number 5. If you want to get a good night's sleep, go to the clock app, then click Bedtimes. Pick what time you want to be told to go to bed at and what time you want your iPad to wake you up at. The cool feature is you can pick what days you want it to wake you up and tell you when to go to bed. So if you're a school kid, you don't get told to go to bed at 6 o'clock on a weekend.